Hey and welcome to another After Effects tutorial brought to you by Velocity VFX. Today I'll be showing you how to do a transporter effect from Star Trek and how to create a sci-fi chamber and also how to do chroma key. So for today's tutorial what you're gonna need is video copilot, element 3D and your project files, basically whatever you want to work with. So let's get started. What we will start with is go to composition, create new composition 1280 by 720, create OK, and let's 1280 by 720, and then new layer, solid, and add your video copilot, element 3D, and go to group 1, particle replicator plane instead of point plane, click OK, and to enter a scene setup. I will be doing a bit of freestyling. I don't have this one exactly planned out, so let's see where this brings out. So what I will start with is a simple cube in order to create our sci-fi looking chamber where we are going to do the transporter effect. So let me go to the material, Pro Shader 2, concrete, and I think I'll be adding this concrete wall squared like so, and bringing the brightness up like so. And what I will do now is add two envelopes like so, and simply bring them below our cube. So now I want to add a second cube. I will use the same material, bring it below the first cube, and go to the material and brighten it a little bit more than the first cube. Now I will add that cube into the lowest envelope and grab that envelope and bring it into the envelope above it like so. And the reason why I want to do that is because I want to mirror this cube, and this cube will be our ground and floor and ceiling plane like so. So what you want to do is go to this envelope, go to the group folder and group symmetry, click on Y, and now you have a plane above and below. So what you want to do now is go to your scaling tool, scale out X, scale out Z like so, and go to the group folder below and drag it up and apart from each other. Go to the original box or the one in the middle, bring it down, and now it's resting on the floor like so. Now what we're gonna do is duplicate it and bring it up like so. Let me click on this to zoom in a bit. What you don't want is your two cubes to intersect, because they will be making some weird glitches. So make sure they're just barely resting on each other like so. Now let's go to our floor and ceiling and bring them closer to each other like so. Go to the lowest group folder and let me see, something like this I think, and then let's bring our cubes a bit up. Let me see. something like so. Like so. That would do. Let me add a environment, and 2K, environment, and let's go for a environment that is reflective. Maybe this one. This one ain't as reflective, but I think this one will do because it's very even. Now let's new layer. Let's add a new camera, maybe 50 millimeter, and what we want to do now is duplicate our now what I want to do is add new envelope, maybe even two, and bring everything into the lower of the two new envelopes, like so. And now go to the higher one and go to the group symmetry, and what we want to do is select Y and X, and then go to the folder below and simply drag out let me see, simply drag out X and it should be set, but let me see, what did my bad, X and set. Now it should work. And we don't want them to intersect for this reason. It will be glitchy, so drag it all the way out, like so. Like so. Let me see now. Now we have a bit bigger chamber, and let's just do that a couple more times. Now instead of now what we want to do is duplicate it. So hold Ctrl D and duplicate this box model and simply drag it out. Duplicate one more time and drag out on the other axis. Let me see what happened there. Oh yeah. Duplicate all three now and drag it out on the C axis. And then duplicate all of them one more time and maybe drag it out on the X axis. It's starting to get big now. And maybe one more time, I think it's on the Z axis. And I don't want to duplicate everything now, so I just duplicate all the selected, Ctrl D, and maybe we have to select everything, since on that's it's a bit different on the C. Duplicate Z, and there we have it. There we go. So now we have a nice big chamber. I want to add light, parallel light, and let's see, something like so, and maybe pump up the brightness. Now I want to go to the black solid and go to render settings and lighting. I just play around with it and see what we can get out of it. Let's try dramatic first. Bump it up a bit, like so. And something like this maybe to start with. See if we can get more brightness to the ceiling as well. Right, we're starting to get there now. And let's go back to our element 3D layer solid and go to ambient occlusion. Click it in and maybe pump it up to something around here, and 2 on the multi-sampling. I have a laptop, so I can't be going all gung-ho on this. And maybe a bit of adaptive blurring too, and just darken a little bit, not so much, maybe like so. Now we have the start of something, a rough chamfer. So let me go back into the scene setup, and now we can slowly start adding details. But first, let's just add another solid and just grab some of the color from that place and bring it below just for now, so we have some closer. Maybe we will add walls, but for now let's just do it that way. Now let me close that. Now what I want to add, actually what I should add now is I should duplicate those two boxes and CTRD to duplicate and just drag them like so, and then duplicate everything, CTRD, and drag it Z words now. So now we have some more columns. Now I made a mistake, but it's never too late to correct it. Before I duplicated all the columns, I should have added some details, but maybe we can do that even now. So should I delete them then? No, I'm not gonna delete them. I'm just gonna add some of them. Let's see. These ones are the ones facing the camera, or no? You know what? Let me just add it manually. So let's go to our motion design and go to, which one was it? Components maybe? See where. Yeah. Before we add that, actually let's go here and add it here. Now bring it this way. Scale it down. What we want to do is add only the glowing bits to the walls, so it looks like sci-fi-ish. So move it this way, click on this to bring it closer to you, or closer to the camera center. So once you have done that, there's two things you want to do. First, obviously size it up, like so. And the second thing you want to do is, once you have the cube selected, click on this square thing. This will so now what you can do is you can remove everything you don't need. So let's see. I wonder if this is even the right piece. I'm not sure. So what I'm gonna do is going to copy the position and turn it off and see if there's, yeah, this is not even the right piece. My bad. So let's see. Hardware, no, it's not hardware. Mesh, maybe it was mesh. Yeah, definitely mesh. So bring in this one and go to the transform. Remember we copied the transform of this one, so it will copy the position and size, and now we can just paste and it should appear right there. So let's do it this way. Let's give it now let's deselect this one, and also let's remove this component, we didn't need it. So let me just move out a little bit. I want to find, yeah, this, no, this is okay. So what we need is, we need just copy the concrete, paste, no, copy, I mean copy material from the concrete and just paste it, paste material, okay, not the black material, paste it. I have to copy again, copy, paste, like so, and maybe, yeah, that's good. Now what we want to do is go to the light and pump up the brightness, and this, copy the light. You see the silver, we want it gone and we want it to become a light. So there we go. Now copy this, actually duplicate, simply duplicate, and now you wanna move it so, and now we have to just center it. Let's go back to the other one and see if that one was centered as well. So now we have two of them. What you want to do is duplicate those two and CTRD, duplicate, and let's see, simply bring them forward. Now you have four, duplicate those four and simply drag them to the side like so. Maybe this one won't be exact. Maybe I have to undo duplicating those. Okay, so undo duplicating the four of them. Just, I guess, duplicate two of them like so, and copy, and it's already more or less where we need it to be. Now duplicate 4 actually and bring it, I think it's 4 forward. Oh, that's not forward. Set. What's happening here now? Oh, again, 4 was not needed. Oh, my bad. Messing up right now. Duplicate. Set. Maybe 4 was needed. Bring it back like so. duplicate sideways. Let's have a quick look at what we have right now. So damn, this should be rare. How the hell did I mess up so badly? Well, this is a freestyle and we're just finding it out as well. So if our view is like so, then is that what it means? Yeah. Should I be bothered? I really want this to be right, so let's just have a look again. We could just do it this way. We could just do it. We could just work from this angle, can't we? Even though I don't like the lighting here on this side. Let me see. I can just adjust the light. No, it's not the light. It's probably the rotation from in the yeah, you know what? It's alright. Okay, there we go. Nah, no. Let's just let's just say this works and work from this angle then. Or even this angle. Yeah, this works. I like this. Alright. And zoom out a little bit. Like so. And now let's go back and add more details. What we want to add now is we want to go down to tech. I think it's tech components. Actually, let's go all the way to beams and add just beams on the floor. Scale it up, actually a little bit more. See where we have this, so we don't do the same mistake again. Rotate. Remove the thickness and bring up the length. Where is it? Huh? All the way over there. Think we are here somewhere. Close. But I think that I think that's fine, that position is fine. Bring up the length even more. Copy this concrete and paste it. Duplicate on the beam. Bring it there. Duplicate both of them. One this way and the other one that way. So it will just add some sort of details and divide our chamber into small subsections. Now let me grab all the beams and just bring them a little bit down and maybe lengthen them and then bring them to that side. Oh, I didn't. Which one is that? That's fine. Okay, let's see. What I want to do now is go to tech components, go down to this tech ring 4. Let me scale it up just to find exactly where it is. There it is. Bring it towards our view. Probably definitely have to size it down as well. Yep, and size it down like so. Let's see what we have now. Oh, that was our view is like so then. There we go. Just bring it to the side. Even more. Actually, maybe bring it. Now let's see what we have. Okay, that's more like it. A tad to the side. Hmm, that's the position. Now copy this concrete material that we've been using for almost everything. Paste, paste. Maybe brighten up, even though it will brighten up everything else, but that's fine. So like so. And bring, see, go to the tech ring, copy the transform position scale, everything orientation, paste it into the tech ring 5 that we just brought into the scene, like so. Scale it up, bring it, let me see. Yep, and paste concrete material, paste into the black, gloss black. See, that's a bit better. Now we want to add height, something that will bring height. Actually, bring in this tech mesh tree. Copy the transform of the tech ring, paste it into what we just brought into the scene. We're just testing things now, so this might not be what we're going with. To see. Yeah. No. Nope. Nope. Remove it. Let's see. What else can we use? Copy. Paste. Yep. I think we can use that one. Let me just copy material, place, paste, 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 and paste. Now we want something, some kind of platform, but platform that does not conceal what we already have established. So let me go back to, let me go to tech parse, no, mesh, copy, paste, scale it up, scale it up, copy, paste. Just testing this right now. No. me see. So what I want to, oh yeah, I know exactly. No, just okay. We are adding a cube and create copy the transform position of our initial object. Go to the cube and where is yeah, paste paste the copy transform into the transform of our new cube. Scale the cube up like so, and let me see. Just make it connect to the ceiling like so, and then let me. I want it to fit more precisely into our cube, our already circular thing like so. And what you want to do is you want to go to the materials and you want to find go to physical materials and find glass like so. I already have made a more better glass, more you can play with the settings, more translucent a more transparent glass. So there we go. And on top of the transparentness, I want to go to the material and go to this wireframe settings and go to enable, go to lines only and from materials, and now you can see we have cool looking badass thingy. And if you rotate the camera, you can see there's something there is like glass looking, and you can even play with how much of texture will show by just playing with the width of the lines. And even I think you can, let's see if we can do something with the color. See, and maybe even brightness. There you go. Now it's more visible, but maybe adjust the color to more bluish color. Even the brightness maybe. Yep, something like so. Did this one? No, it can't be this. Okay, let's just leave it like so for now. And we're not finished with it yet. Let's maybe add some more elements just to finish up. Now, now I want to add two envelopes right here and bring everything that has to do with our everything that has to do with our new cube area or chamber area, bring it into the new folder and bring that folder into that other folder we created. So go to this folder, the main, oh okay, undo that, don't create it anymore. The main one of our two new folders, go to the group folder, symmetry, and click on Y. I think I will change, maybe undo that. I want something different, or maybe, let me see. No, undo that actually. Undo the symmetry. I think I'll just create it from a new, completely new one for this part. So let's go to this one and go to this component, go to, I think it's tech components, yep, and simply create something new hanging from the ceiling. Maybe this. Go to this thingies and just copy the transform, paste it into our new ring that we created. I think it was one of those, one of this. Just simply paste and drag it up, click on the view, enlarge, and maybe create a cube as well, and copy the transform, paste it into our cube, a little bit difficult. Yep, I could just do it from here, why don't I? That's an issue. But it won't be too visible, so maybe we can get away with it. Let me see. Copy, concrete, paste, paste, and paste. No, that won't work. And wait, why is it so big? Oh, shush. No wonder. Do we even need it though? Let me see. Because this is looking quite fancy on its own. Maybe add one more little thing and we won't even need to add any other things after that. Copy transform, paste transform to the other one. Ooh, that's a little bit big. Copy concrete, paste material, paste material. Yep, that's a little bit, that's much better already. Not entirely perfect symmetry, but hey, we're freestyling here, aren't we? Let's see if I want this concrete, all concrete, to be a little bit brighter. Ah, that's too much. Ooh, that's way too much. Just a little bit more. Now, now we can. Now we can duplicate. That's yeah. There we go. Well, it's above as well. Hold. Actually, don't hold anything. What you want to do is go to the group folder below and just start dragging out. Wait, actually, I don't want to drag it out that way. It's perfect positioned. So maybe I shouldn't do it that way. Undo that. Maybe I just have to duplicate all. Duplicate. Move. Duplicate. Move. Want some distance between each one. Duplicate. Move. Duplicate. And move. See. Duplicate and move. Let's see what we have. Yep. Maybe, you know what, maybe I went too aggressive on the brightness. Yeah, for now let's just put it that way, like that, like so. And now I want to add more details because it still isn't looking too good, to be fair. So let's go to beams. Beams it is, and let's just start making some kind of railing looking stuff on the ground, on the floor. Scale it up so we can see and it's easier to work with. Nope. Maybe duplicate it and line them up next to each other. Duplicate. 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 Sideways. Just to mix it up and make some sort of, just to mix it up, to be fair. And now let me see, all these beams, every beam, I want to add it to its own. Oops. See, Is it only beams? Right. There's quite a lot of them. So, oh yeah, okay, that was kind of silly. Should have done this first. Well. This will be a long tutorial. This will be one long ass tutorial. Sorry if, excuse the language. Um, so the point of all of that was to bring them up to the ceiling as well. So now nothing is left out. I want to duplicate it, and even it might be too much, but it's only one way to find out. Right? Let's see. No, it's actually okay. It's alright. Now I wanna add some elevations as well. Let me see. Those elevation might actually be simple cubes. Bring it over here, like so, and so, and skinnier, and maybe like so. Actually, yeah, I want to add it next to. I want to put it so, and let me see. Add. Ooh, it's a lot of stuff. Copy material, the concrete material again. Paste, and cut through. But see, what's the issue? Right here. Oh, should we do it maybe behind? Yep, that's better. More thickness now then. And move it backwards. And make sure it covers the whole distance. Yep, it does. Oh, what? Where did it go? Ah. Oh yeah, okay. It's too. Okay, let me just bring the height up then. Like so. Did we just make some, let me see how this would need to be. Something like so. Duplicate it. And do it for every row of high standing columns. Duplicate. Bring it forward. So let me do this into it. Okay, this one is actually not needed. So that one is needed. Maybe just this one for this place. Each and every one does not have to be exactly the same size or same length or same height, even though it's good to have the same symmetry for the most. See? A little bit higher. Okay, that's not even the same. Is it this one? Yeah, I think it's this one. Or is it? Nope. Nope. Most likely this one. No, what the L? Yep, it has to be this one. Yep, there we go. You know, I might have gone too far with this floor thing is. It's metallic looking. Just randomly shut off a few of them. Might not work, it might work. Let's see. Uh, let's say this works for now. And there's actually one more thing we can do with them. Copy this light and put it into the metal. This is quite repeating, but let's test it out. Paste. Sorry about all of this repeating stuff, but there's no way around it, at least that I know about for now. There could be. I could have done this from the beginning before I duplicated everything, for instance. But we are freestyling, so this is what you get when you try to do something from scratch without really, when you only have a rough estimation of how to go about it, I guess. But it's all part of the learning. Uh, man. So must have missed some. Oh, not some, a lot. I don't know if I will do all of them, but I'm trying to find those center to the camera, like those ones. Once I find them, I might just skip the rest. You know what? That's enough. Ah, no, it's not. I want it to look right. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Nope. And now let's see if there's anything else I wanna add. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Maybe let's see if this is a thing we want to add. Paste material. Paste material. Let's see if we want to add it and where it would fit if this is the case. Duplicate. No. Duplicate. I don't think we... Maybe, but not where they are right now. Just duplicate a couple of... it's... I think it was this... Was it this one? I think it was this one, yeah. Decorate a reactor tree. And they are mirrored, so it would just... It will mirror... It's two of them basically. One becomes two. Because we put it in a mirrored... mirrored group group folder. I think for now we will say this chamfer is kind of done. So let's save it up. Chamfer. Alright. But chamfer 2. Okay. So now I wanna add some. Come on, save it up. It ain't that hard. This is what it is like working on a laptop. Poor people. That's me. Okay. A new layer. We wanna add. Come on now. We wanna add new layer. Adjustment layer and effect. Add some curves. Like so, to make it even more glossy and sci-fi-ish looking. And now let's go to our glow options and enable glow, and we want to lower the glow radius, I guess, and is it as well glow aspect ratio? Could it be? Let's see. Come on. Just play around until you find suitable settings. Okay, glow threshold and glow aspect ratio. Let's play around with those. No. Mm, can't be. I just want to find a perfect balance between glow threshold and glow strength. Hmm. Nope. Okay, so that's what we need to control. I think I found what I needed. Okay, let's say this is it. I wanna maybe add even a little bit more ambient occlusion, like so. And now let's go back to after we added some curves and brought up the RPG. Now RGB I mean. Now let's add, if you have a magic bullet, I wanna add looks. Come on, give me. Now let's see. Fit to comp. Let me save because we're starting to get laggy now. 3 and edit. Come on. Someone need to sponsor me for a new PC. Let me see. We are in Magic Bullets looks. Just find something cool looking. Come on. Everything seems to be dying now. Sheesh. Good that I saved, I guess. Come on. Stop playing with me. May have to save, exit and relaunch. Oh, did it choose to play with us after all? This won't be it anyway. I'm not sure any of this one will make our scene better. Mm. Let's see this one. Not much difference, to be honest. We were already there. Nah. Nope. Let's add some black bars. Solid black bars. And like so. And like so. It's pretty, pretty. It's it's pretty. It's pretty bright. It's maybe a little bit too bright. I don't know. Let's go to adjustments and let's bring this one a tiny tad down. This is starting to look like something, I have to say. And I think our chamber is good. It's ready. Let's check out. Let's check it out. Oops. Okay. Now let's go on to actually stop. And now in part two of our After Effects futuristic chamber and Star Trek transporter beam me up effect. I will be doing the beam me up effect part, and the first thing we need to do is add our person that will be beamed up. And this is a green screen free stock video. So what I need to do now is add above and just simply make square like so. And the way you do